practice on the else. Okay? Some people don't do that, and then the logic goes like, I'm doing it, it looks fine, but it's not running. And the reason is because you have an if, right? You do a print over here, you do another print over here, and so on, right? And guess what? There's no brackets. So this if only takes the first statement. The rest do not belong to the if. Okay? So even though it takes a little bit of time to do an extra click over here, always close the statements like that. Even if it's just one line, it will save you hours. Okay? So the idea again is every if else goes with first prior, the closest if that you can find. Okay? So this one is not this one because this is already taken. So then it will be this guy here. Okay. So I have a program here. Very simple. Nothing to it. And I already emailed this one. Okay. So I go ahead and say, okay, integer is equal to 1, right? So the first list over here is if this guy is greater or equal to 0. So in this case, the answer is yes, right? It's greater or equal to 0. Then it's going to come to this guy here. Is it greater than 1? It is not. Therefore, it goes over here to this else. Bypassing all of these other ifs that you have in here. You notice this if goes with this else. This one goes with this guy. This one goes with something that we don't see there. But again, if you organize it neatly, you will be able to track any errors, logic error that you might have. So what's going to happen here? So it says if the number is greater than 1, it's not, then it's going to go ahead and do this else over here. Right? Let's see if it's true. So that should print what, a number 1, right? Yep, printed a 1. So the number is 1 again. If it's greater than 0, which it is, it's going to come here. Is it greater than 1? No, it's not. Then it's going to do this else over here. None of these else's is going to jump right over here. And it's going to print that one, and that one is number 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and say this guy is equals to minus 1. Okay. So it's going to skip this if, and obviously again all of the other ifs are inside there. And it's going to come here to if we have an else over here. So that's a minus 1. Yes, we do. So it's going to execute this line here. Minus 1. Right? So, like I said, I send you this. This is very, very simple stuff. The only thing that you have to remember is the else with the ifs. That's it. Questions on this guy? No, I put over here minus 1 to see what happens over here. If it's greater or equal to 0, which is not, then it's not going to execute any of these. It will execute the else that goes with this if. If that else is the last else, because all of the other else were already taken. one less than the previous one. And what we need to remember is that you have a for loop. Let's assume this one is the x value, right? Then you can have another for loop. Let's make this guy a y value. They cannot be the same. They have to be different. So let's assume that we're saying x is less than 10, and then x plus plus, right? And then over here, x is less than 5, y plus plus. Okay, I made a mistake there. What's the mistake?
X. Less than 5.
And the next is dealing with y's, right? Simple mistake to make, and then you go crazy. Why is the loop not working? Okay? So you can have, and the reason why you do multiple loops like this is that in this line, you can also use the value of the x over here. Whatever the value is, you can use it in here or here. Okay, over here you can say these plus x. Okay, or whatever. You can use that value for anything here. On the assignment that we had, we were talking about the string length of the name, right? So the idea there was that this will be, let's say, that this will be the string length, right? If you begin on 0, so this one has to be minus 1. Because the length could be Joe, 3, right? But we want to print 0, 1, and 2. So some people had errors, like out-of-bound errors. And the reason was because they were trying to access the length number 3, and there's no length 3 on the string. There's length only up to 2, 0, 1, and 2. Okay? That's the out-of-bound errors that some people have. Okay? So the difficulty that people had over here was that they couldn't print the name one less every time. So you know that the string length over here, whatever it is, the same one, but the second time you want to take the last character out. So the idea here is you do a minus x. Right? So what happens here? The first time you print the whole name, Joe, right? Because it's 3 of them, right? Let me rephrase that. You start here with a 0. So when you do a minus 0, it's still the same as string length, right? Less than the string length. Okay. So what happened here is the first time around, this loop is going to print the whole name. The next time around, it's going to print the string length minus 1. So it's going to print this guy. And then minus 2. And then minus 1. Follow? Yes?
Sorry, what is it that you have written? Is that, you said that string?
Yeah, what happened was that in every single method that we use, we converted the array to a string, right? And most people, what they do was, I'll show you, something like this, string str equals name 0. So most people use this guy here, str. Now to find the length of the name, most people did integer str and then l length. Okay, you could call this anything, right?
Right.
Equals the string length. So the length of the name, Joe in this case, which is 3, was assigned to this number here. Okay, so on this case over here, we have a number 3, also a number 3 over here.